Meaning of giver.
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 Giver. The word giver refers to a person who gives or donates something to others, whether it be material goods, time, or emotions. This individual is often known for their generosity and selflessness, with the act of giving being a core part of their identity. The act of giving can have a positive impact on both the giver and receiver, as it promotes empathy and kindness. In essence, a giver is someone who strives to make a difference in the world by sharing their resources and helping others in need.